What if I told you your car's biggest problems could vanish in the time it takes to tie your shoes? No tools, no mechanic, no bill. Today I'm handing you the keys to 15 legendary car reset secrets mechanics hope you never discover. These are the hacks that can fix everything from stubborn warning lights to windows with a mind of their own. Let's jump right in. By pulling the negative battery terminal and waiting 15 minutes, you're essentially performing a hard reboot on your car's entire electronic nervous system. This wipes out glitches in critical modules like the engine control unit, transmission control module, and body control module, forcing them to start fresh. It's normal for your car to act a little strange for a few minutes as it relearns your driving habits, but you'll often see rough idles, warning lights, and even shifting issues vanish as the system recalibrates itself. With the key in the on position but the engine off, you press the gas pedal to the floor for 10 seconds, release, turn the key off, wait 10 seconds, then start and let the car idle for 5 minutes. This sequence resets the throttle's electronic memory, which can get confused over time and cause sluggish response or unstable idling. After this reset, your throttle should feel sharp and responsive, almost like you've upgraded your engine software. Clear your engine's memory without touching the battery or losing your radio presets. Just turn the key on, press the gas pedal 3 times in 10 seconds, turn the key off, wait 10 seconds, and start the car. This is especially handy after a throttle cleaning or long storage, as it prompts the engine control unit to forget old adaptations and relearn optimal settings for current conditions. With the engine running, quickly cycle the key off and on 5 times, then shift through all gears twice. This process erases the transmission's learned shift patterns, which can get bogged down by years of stop-and-go driving or old habits. After a reset, the transmission starts fresh, adapting to your current driving style for a noticeably smoother ride. The triple threat gives you 3 ways to clear that persistent warning. You can disconnect the battery, use a key on plus brake and gas pedal sequence, or cycle the key off and on 3 times. Each method clears stored fault codes and resets the emission system, but if the problem is still present, that light will come back after a few drives. Perfect for those times when your windows get stuck or act erratically. By holding the window switch up for 10 seconds after closing and down for 10 seconds after opening, you recalibrate the window's position sensors. This helps the auto up-down feature work smoothly again and can save you from an expensive trip to the dealer. The answer to locks that randomly cycle or refuse to respond. With the key on, press lock, key off, press unlock, key on, press lock again. This sequence resynchronizes the door actuators with the body control module, restoring order to your car's security system. When your climate control system blows hot when you want cold, or vents don't respond, by pulling the HVAC fuse for 10 minutes, reinstalling it, and running all settings for 5 minutes, you force the system to recalibrate its sensors and actuators. Suddenly, your vents and temperature controls behave as they should. Your go-to for strange electrical gremlins, random lights, flickering dashboards, or windows that have a mind of their own. With the key on, cycle the headlights on and off 3 times, turn the hazards on for 10 seconds, then off, key off, wait 30 seconds, then start. This clears the BCM's memory of glitches and restores normal function to your car's interior electronics. A quick fix for a persistent ABS warning light. With the key on but the engine off, press and release the brake pedal 3 times, turn the key off, wait 10 seconds, then start. This clears false ABS codes and prompts the system to check the wheel speed sensors again. If the light stays on, there may be a real fault that needs attention. Your SRS Savior can clear temporary faults in the airbag system. Turn the key on, wait for the airbag light, then turn the key off immediately. Repeat 3 times, then start. If the light goes out, you're good. If it stays on, it's time for a professional diagnosis, as airbag systems are critical for safety. Recalibrates the electric power steering sensors. With the engine running, turn the wheel fully left and hold for 5 seconds, then fully right and hold for 5 seconds, then center and hold for 5 seconds. Turn the engine off for 10 seconds, then restart. This can resolve heavy or wandering steering, especially in newer cars with electronic power steering. This is all about ride quality. Drive at 35 miles per hour for 1 mile, then 55 for 2 miles, park on level ground, and turn the engine off for 5 minutes. This sequence recalibrates the suspension's ride height and damper sensors, often clearing warning lights and restoring a smooth, balanced ride. This helps your car relearn optimal fuel trim settings for better mileage and smoother running. Fill the tank, drive steadily at 55 miles per hour for 10 minutes, then do 10 minutes of city driving. This allows the fuel and oxygen sensors to recalibrate based on fresh data, improving performance and economy. Now, this is a lifesaver when your car refuses to start or the alarm keeps going off. Manually lock and unlock the driver's door with your key, then start the car within 10 seconds. Alternatively, cycle the ignition off and on 3 times. This resynchronizes bypasses the security system and can clear up false alarms and no start conditions. Some of these tricks have been used by mechanics for decades, but most drivers never hear about them. Imagine saving hundreds, sometimes thousands, just by knowing what buttons to press. These resets tap into the car's built-in ability to relearn and self-correct, a feature designed for technicians but available to anyone in the know. The master reset or battery disconnect is your all-in-one panic button. When in doubt, start there, but always check your manual for model-specific quirks. It's the reset that touches every corner of your car's electronic brain. From stubborn warning lights to windows that won't budge, these 20-car reset tricks put the power back in your hands. Why pay for a fix when you can do it yourself, often in under a minute? Each reset is a testament to how modern cars are built to adapt and recover, giving you the confidence to handle most electronic hiccups on your own. Which trick will you try first? Drop your stories below. If you found these secrets helpful, hit like, share with your fellow car lovers, and subscribe for more automotive wizardry. Ring the bell so you never miss a trick. Join me next time as we unlock the world of cars one vault at a time. See you on the next ride.